Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to share what I believe to be the best color profile for iPhone camera. Now this is my personal preference. I was digging on the internet and I find these figures. So if we go to our settings and navigate to camera, scroll down and click on photographic styles, you can see that there are some predefined options over here. We have rich contrasts, we have standard, which is the default one. We have vibrant, warm, cool. So the photographic style I'm about to share in this video is actually a mixture of vibrant and warm, which makes the picture more colorful and balanced. So without wasting much of the time, let's get right into it. So when you go to your camera, you click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to styles. You have to set your tone to -30 and set the warmth to 15. This is how I got the best color profile. Instead of selecting the predefined options provided by Apple, I recommend you use this one. Tone -30 and warmth 15. So this is what I use in day-to-day basis. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.